yung men's team natin against EAC versus Arellano. Women's team naman yan.
And it's fun to watch your alma mater, di ba?
Oh yeah.
Iba yung pride mo.
Talaga, sarap mag-cheer pag ganyan. Laika Tudlasan. She liked that point. You saw the celebration afterwards.
Good start there. Pumasok sa block. Kasi grabe, ang lakas talaga ng palo ni Laika.
At kinailangan niya yun kasi kanina pa siya na-check ng mga blockers ng EAC. Formento to Razonable. De Guzman from the other side. They go to Razonable. Saved by Ceballos. Tudlasan! Back-to-back hits for Laika Tudlasan.
Grabe yung depensa ngayon ng Arellano Lady Chiefs. Nagda-dive na sila. Kahit yung coverage nila on point.
In that sequence, in that rally, a couple of saves from Harem Ceballos. Di ba? Kaya nabuhay ang bola. Para sa Arellano, diretso sa net.
And it's one of her strengths too. Kasi beach volleyball player siya. Grabe dumepensa ang mga beach volleyball players.
Kasi pag galing ka sa sand naglalaro, pagdating mo sa indoor,
You're
parang
faster.
ang bilis mo. Oo. Yeah. Nag-beach volleyball ka ba noon?
Yes, yun yung ano ko, extra training.
Extra training.
Kasi bumibilis ka talaga eh. If you play.
Sinong katandem mo?
Iba-iba eh.
Iba-iba.
Sila Z, sila Phil, iba-iba.
Okay.
Si Gretch, nakatandem ko na rin.
Grabe. Pero pumapalo din si Mel Gohing, syempre. Kailangan sa beach. Okay. Meantime, Batindaan sends that one too strong. Hindi kasi, okay, like Latran. Their 1-2 is, this year their 1-2 was Silva and Makilang. Gia Makilang. So, yung isa libero, nakikita natin ito si Silva. Mapalo pag kailangan ah. So, si Mel din.
Same. Favorite ko yan. Yung feel na feel ko kapag kunyari loose ball.
Oh.
May play din ako eh.
Oh, yeah. Sinesetapan ka. Razonable. Sending this one long.
Another error from her.
Yeah, she's now in her head. So she needs to go back to what she's doing or what she was doing in set number 1 and start playing more loosely. Formento. Brutas kept alive. Push was too strong. Too near the net for Laika. So Brutas is able to score. 3-all sa panimula ng set number 3.
Wow.
Inside!
What a floater.
Wow! So, approaching the line, the ball just magically dropped.
Yeah, floater eh. Kita mo, biglang bumagsak.
Oh.
Ganda.
De Guzman.
Too much power there and walang spin.
Pero check daw. Sabi ng ating first referee.
Wow, saved by the check.
Yeah.
Team captain Dodi Batindaan.
Ada Gallardes is back in the match. Captain of EAC. That was an interesting call. Back set for Brutas. Popped up. Ceballos again. This time through the blockers.
Harem Ceballos.
Harem Ceballos.
An offset there from the back.
5-7-4.
Great adjustment there and talagang nakikita niya na nabutas yung gitna ng blockers.
She may have earned a full-time spot in the starting lineup. Neto ni Coach Obet Javier. Formento just couldn't handle that. Dun sa one-hand set niya.
Talking about service receive errors, ang dami na from the side of the Lady Generals. Kaya nahihirapan na sila mag-combination plays.
High ball. Covered by Arellano. Ceballos puts it down. Harem Ceballos with another point here.
Great target there. Wala talagang tao.
And if you're Coach Obet, this is what you like, especially going into the Final Four. Yung meron ka pang mga surprises na ganito. Gives your team another dimension. Pero si Kat Almazan, pumawi para sa EAC.
Kat Almazan has been the most consistent player for the Lady Generals so far. Alam mo, binibigay niya talaga yung best niya para sa team, para yung sa remaining games niya.
But an error from EAC will send us to our first technical timeout. Pagbalik po natin, we'll hear an update from Diana Igual, our courtside reporter.
Timeout in set number 3.
Kobe. Kobe. Kobe Monday.
Kobe mo?
Yeah.
Meron naman sa sa NCAA. Hindi, pero syempre, you wanna invite, of course, the best basketball minds.
Oh, of course.
The best sports minds, not just in the country, but,
Yeah.
we gotta dream big, bro.
Yeah.
So,
International.
in terms of dream guests, I've said this before, my dream guest has always
Mga kapuso at NCAA fans, nagbabalik po tayo sa ating laro dito sa NCAA Season 99 Women's Volleyball Tournament, where we'll look into the two players who's at the forefront of their teams right now. For graduating team captains Dodi Batindaan and Ada Gallardes, they both agreed that it would be bittersweet leaving their respective teams dahil hindi rin naman daw talaga naging biro ang pinagdaanan nila at ang pamilyang nabuo within their teammates. But when I asked what a good exit meant for them, for Dodi of the Lady Chiefs, it was about doing her best every game, and that best being able to lead her team back to the Final Four. Para naman kay Ada of the EAC Lady Generals, it was more about leaving behind the value of discipline as individuals, at dagdag pa niya, importante rin daw sa kanya that her team gains and maintains a high respect, hindi lang sa kanilang sarili as a team, pero pati na rin sa kanilang mga kalaban. Martin, Melissa?
Maraming salamat, Miss Diana Igual. Two captains and two middle blockers mula sa magkabilang panig natin, Ada Gallardes and of course Dodi Batindaan. Kat Almazan scores on that hit. Ito si Dodi Batindaan, this is her first legitimate opportunity to really show her skills as a middle blocker, because in the previous years meron pang mga ate siyang nasa harap. Last season it was Trina Abay. Ito, this year, chance niya, she is in the starting lineup. She's the captain.
And she has been proving that she deserves to be the captain. Siya talaga yung maasa ng player pagdating sa mga crucial moments.
Kaya wala ring hesitation siyang puntahan. Ito ni Paralejas. And si Donna naman ang natawagan dito ng overreach.
The Lady Generals are slowly catching up.
Yeah. 7-9, two straight points for EAC after Arellano scored the first one after the break. Ceballos lumusot, off speed, covered by De Guzman. Back to Harem. Masyado malakas mula kay Ceballos.
Ball out. Point to EAC.
8-9.
8-39.
This
So,
is the time na hindi ka talaga dapat mag-error, lalo na lumalapit na yung Lady Generals.
Yeah. And EAC has been dangerous today. Ceballos using her left. Easy up. Formento. To Razonable. Nasa likod si Pablo. De Guzman will try. Covered by Brutas. Razonable tries again. Covered again by Alec Pablo. Ceballos. Formento. Back row drop will not work. 1-2. Covered by Cordial. 1-2 again this time from EAC. It is still up and alive. Brutas sends it over. Oh! Walang kumuha mula sa Arellano.
That was out of the system play. And kanina, hirap na hirap sila sa depensa. Alam, ang gaganda ng mga palo, nadidepensa nila. Pero itong simpleng palo, parang standing spike nga lang yan
Yeah.
Napag-ganon tuloy yung libero.
Si Pablo, grabe yung hinayang doon. Kasi ang dami na niyang dinipensahan. Sa sequence na yan. Ooh! That one rolled out.
Alex
But-
Razonable.
Yeah, it's Razonable scoring this point. It was off the hands.
Grabe yung spin ng bola on the net. Look at that.
Substitution for the James, number 13 out, number 7.
Ikaw din para manonood
Oo.
ka.
Grabe yung pabitin niya doon.
Ang tagal nun ah.
Oo.
That was my first time to see that. Sobrang tagal.
Nagpatis yung bola sa net. Formento. Quick! That was Pecaña, by the way, her first attempt in this match. Ceballos. That one was deflected. Razonable. Popped up. Paralejas. Cordial tries to send this to Razonable. Down the line she goes.
Alex Razonable.
EAC now ahead by 2.
5-0 run from EAC.
What
Parang
a-
nakabalik na ngayon
11:79.
si Razonable.
After a stretch of struggles, unti-unti na bumabalik yung nakita natin ng set 1. Ceballos. Razonable. Again!
Alex Razonable.
Another down the line hit. Surprisingly, walang tao dun kasi
Correct.
kanina dun siya pumalo eh.
Yeah.
Kapag dun pumapalo, dapat punta ka na dun, naka-adjust ka na dapat.
And si Razonable, yung approach niya, iba eh.
Oo nga
You know,
eh. Parang,
yung talon niya paside. I think that makes her more unpredictable.
ganaganda na depensa kayo ng Lady Generals.
Yeah. Pecaña. That one was returned. Bumuelo si Ceballos. Sent back again. Pecaña. Kept alive. Almazan's turn.
Wow!
She catches the line.
Almazan.
So make that
Timeout 8.
8-0 run. All right.
Sa simple set pa lang eh. Ano sinasabi ko sa'yo? Wala kasi ibang gawin. Gusto mo paluin mo ng paluin yung bola. Hindi ka gumagalaw ng tama, hindi ka na nag-iisip ng tama eh. Tingnan mo nga kung sino yung blocker mo. Ikaw naman, gusto mo pumatay. Hindi tayo makapatay, ikaw gusto mo pumatay. Ibigay mo sa kanila.
Kapag kaganyan na yung mode ni Coach Obet, pati ako natatakot na.
And tumatayo na siya.
Matayo na siya. Si Coach Obet Javier, of course, recognizing this situation that they are in right now. Kasi pag binigyan mo talaga ng kumpiyansa yung EAC, eh ganito yung mangyayari.
And ang ganda ng momentum na nila
Yeah.
sa third set.
Paralejas. That's good response.
Donna Paralejas.
After the timeout para sa Arellano, that's another point for her in front of the net, and that also ends EAC's 8-0 run.
And she had to do it. Ganun siya eh.
Yeah.
Pag dire-diretso na hindi din effective yung mga plays, siya na lang daw.
Check out. Oh, it's a kill block for Arellano.
12 point for AU.
Gallardes thought it went out, pero pasok.
That was a good timeout for Coach Obet para masira yung momentum ng Lady Generals.
Razonable. Chance to set up for the Lady Chiefs. Pecaña. Formento. From behind, Almazan. No. De Guzman tries. Here's the setup. Alex Razonable.
Another
Alex
down the line hit.
Razonable.
That's the third time already. Nandun na yung libero pero hindi pa rin nakukuha nila yung manipis na down the line ni Alex
Serving for
Razonable.
the Lady Generals team
Ang
captain.
nipis naman
Agatha
kasi.
Diaz.
Talaga. Corner pocket. Alex Razonable. Yeah, another solid game.
Service goes out.
That goes outside, so
Point
this will
to
give
Arellano.
Arellano a chance. If you're EAC, that's exactly
Lorraine Becaña
what you didn't need.
serving.
And that's another service error from her.
Yeah. Better first ball here. Alex this time from the other side. Covered. Patindaan. De Andres was there. Almazan. De Guzman with a pop-up. Tudlasan. Off the block. With a bit of a stare afterwards from Laika Tudlasan.
Napakagulang. Alam niya sarado. Pinalo na lang niya sa kamay, tas para sure point for them.
Pinadaan kay Formento, who is the smaller of the two blockers. Back to Laika. Deflected. And Tudlasan with back-to-back points. Tabla na tayo dito. 14 all. Almazan crashes to the officials table.
Laika Tudlasan
Laika
scores for
Tudlasan.
Arellano.
Patuloy ang pag-angat ng kumpiyansa dito. Ayan
And that was a dig set. Coming from the back, grabe yung adjustment ni Laika doon.
Formento. Drop ball. Covered easily by De Guzman. Laika again. This time, her attack was too low.
Contact error.
And may giggle, tsaka binaba niya rin yung braso niya.
Pag dinalagyan mo talaga ng gigil, ano?
And Formento
And
serving.
Coach Rod has been talking to Alex Razonable.
He's been critical on Alex's performance kasi pinupush pa niya. Itong si Alex. Tudlasan!
Wow.
Laika Tudlasan in her groove. 3 points in this stretch for Laika.
Look at that swing and that power. Nandun na yung libero pero tumalsik na lang sa braso niya.
Masyado malakas yung attacking yun. Wow! So service error from Paralejas. We will go to a quick break. Abante.
Our score
Ang EAC.
16-15 for the Lady Generals. And that sends us to our second technical timeout in set number 3.
Basketball junkie ako eh. So, Jomo, Coach Jolie pa. Yung mga yan, yung mga old school. Kasi yan yung mga nakalakihan ko na dream. So, medyo lumalabas na yung part ako of that older generation eh. Who believe that.
Hindi ko yung generation.
Hindi mo na generation, but kayo TikTok generation. Wow! Kasama na kita. Kasi yun yung conversation natin kanina. Ako, Jaworski, tsaka Jolie pa yung but again.
Back to the coverage and back to live action. Alex Razonable, 18 points in that game against San Sebastian today. 13 already. 12 spikes, 1 off an ace, and a chance to add more in this match.
And she's a complete player. Kita mo sa 13 points, pero let's talk about also yung 13 excellent digs niya.
Yeah.
And ang galing niya rin
End of the
mag-receive.
technical timeout.
She's getting
Alex Razonable
Taped
to
up.
serve.
on that right index finger.
May corbo ata from the blocking.
Okay. 16-15.
But you know what? Si Alex, parang spring, no?
Oo.
Pag tumatalon siya, parang ang bilis. Tapos ang galing niya mag-adjust kahit out of the system play. Kahit buka yung set, nakaka-adjust siya.
And I feel like as Tudlasan, wow, that was a powerful hit dug up by Formento.
Attack error.
This one is low for Kat Almazan. Formento though, with that nonchalant dig
On deck to
on
serve,
Tudlasan
Laika
earlier.
Tudlasan.
I feel like yun yung kinailangan dito ng EAC because especially with out-of-system transition plays, alam nila pwede nilang puntahan si Almazan. Pero nakahanap pa sila ng isa pa. Si Razonable yung gumagawa nun ngayon. Oh! Pau de Guzman gives Arellano back the lead.
Because they need to work together as a team. Kasi makikita mo ngayon yung Lady Chiefs, lahat gumagana. Ceballos, De Guzman, Patindaan, now in front. And kanina si Laika Tudlasan with all of those powerful spikes. Kailangan mo talaga tibayan din yung spikes nyo. Babalikan nyo dapat sila.
Good reception of the very powerful serve. And goes to Brutas. Well read by Arellano's blockers. And here's a chance ball. Alehas. Combination. De Guzman gets denied. Back to Pau. Nandraman si Formento. Brutas. Little too much arm on that spike.
Goes to Arellano.
Medyo buka yung set kanina sa kanya, kaya nasa ilalim siya ng bola, kaya din nag-out yung spike niya.
18-16. Arellano turns it around dito sa ating third set. Jump serve by Laika. Brutas. Back set for Pau. De Guzman with another
Wow.
angled hit.
I think that's her third time to do it. And wala
Grabe.
pa rin nakakakuha doon.
Oh,
Lalo na yung isa, yung sobrang malapit sa net.
That was impressive.
Yes.
Master na niya.
I am speechless.
Yeah. Ang ninipis eh. And if you're the floor defense of the other team, how do you read that?
And parang yung spin, yung contact niya rin sa bola, kaya ang bilis bumagsak
Oo.
ng bola niya, di ba?
Yun.
Hindi siya yung mabilis na spin, yung mabagal yung spin niya.
Yeah,
And I don't know how
Exactly.
she does it.
grabe. Tudlasan,
Servicer.
sending it straight to the net.
High risk, high reward.
Oo.
Kung matagal ka nang mag-jump serve dyan, talagang mapapagod ka rin.
17,
Rhea Magolona serving.
serving 19. Rhea Magalona will start. Good pass. Patindan gets activated.
Jordy Batindaan.
Ito na.
Substitution.
Naghahanap na ng mga panapos si Donna Paralejas.
Number 1.
This time, it's Patindan. Scoring for them. Casey Adante
Casey Adante.
coming in.
Isa din sa mga strength ng Arellano Lady Chiefs, yung si Casey Adante. Kapag pumapasok siya sa service, ayan.
Pinapahirapan niya. Ah, yun, on key yun. Yeah. De Guzman. Too much power.
Attack goes
So EAC is not yet out of it.
She tried to target the same spot,
Yeah.
but it was just too powerful.
Oh, this is a crucial serve by Trisha Brutas. Kanina nag-commit siya ng service error. This one, she places in. Pow! Covered by Brutas. Almazan. Nandoon si Pablo. Backs it again. Back to De Guzman. Down the line this time for Pau.
Wow. De Guzman.
She knew na nabasa na siya dun sa cross court, kaya down the line hit.
10 out of the 6.
Wow.
Wow.
You like her approach?
Eh, nandun na yung libero.
Yeah. Pero nabigla yung Rivero sa kanya.
Serving.
Kasi ganun ka, pako yung atake niya.
Tsaka lagi kasi siyang cross court.
Yeah.
So, in-expect na siguro ng libero na ito-cross court niya ulit.
That's true. Adante. Pekanya.
Lorraine.
So, Lorraine Pekanya, I think the tallest
Yeah.
Arellano player.
Look at that height.
16 Wood in.
If you're gonna spike in front of her,
Yeah.
Number 12 out. Number
siguro
2.
papacheck out na lang i-drop mo sa likod niya or sa gilid niya.
Yeah. Above the blockers na to. Si Lorraine Pekanya. Geno Mapas checks back in.
22 serving.
But it's nice na deep din yung second stringers
Yeah.
ng Lady Chiefs. Kasi during this time, na ma-maximize nila yung mga ganyan.
This is quality playing time. It will help them in the long run. Ball is still in play. Almazan! Down the line.
Kat Almazan.
Check ball. So EAC will try to chip away
Kat
here.
Almazan on net to serve.
CJ Cordial is back as libero.
For the nth time. Hindi pa rin nakukuha yung down the line niya.
Now she comes from the back. KC Ceballos, single coverage by Razonable. Padillon. Lutz. Razonable. Nandun si Pablo. Here's the activation from the middle. Not gonna work. Back to Alex. Nandun si Pau sa likod. Adante. to Moming. Kept alive by Pablo. Pecana this time. It's still alive. Adante. Back to Lorraine. Rally continues. Omabas. Returned. Loot. To Razonable. Yes.
What a rally!
Ends that rally.
Another long rally won by EAC.
Great effort there. You see all of the players gasping, catching their breath now. Grabe, ang haba nun.
Kailangan kargahan at padaanin sa dalawang blockers yon para dito kay Alex Razonable. EAC is within 2. Alehas. Pecana!
Lorraine
Grabe yun.
Pecana.
Ang ganda daw. Let's look at the replay. Great set. Tinaasan yung set kasi matangkad yung biker. Ibabaw sa bola.
How do you stop that if you're EAC? Kailangan doon the height niya. 8 points today for Ceballos, equaling her total in the previous match. Loot. Razonable. Tudlasan scores, and Arellano is now at set point.
Arellano is now at set point. Serving for the set.
Adante.
Great swing.
Substitution
Kahit medyo malayo yung set.
of EAC.
Kanina pa yan, pumapasok talaga yung palo niya through the block.
That's right.
Kahit na sobrang layo niya sa net.
Kahit may distansya,
Great
komportable pa rin.
consistency. Yeah,
Yeah.
great consistency from Laika Tudlasan.
Formento is back for EAC. Just a brief appearance. The George Loot. Tudlasan! Catching the line. And that's how we will end the third set. Arellano pulls ahead in the match, 2-1. With a 25-20 win. When we return, we give you the fourth set.